is located in Shijiazhuang City, capital of Hebei Province, is close to Beijing Airport and Tianjin Port, enjoying superior geographical location, convenient transportation, and prosperous economy. We are able to provide superior towels and varieties of microfiber products. Our factory, founded in 2008, is a professional manufacturer of microfiber-related products. Covering an area of 20,000 square meters, we have over 130 workers, 4 workshops, monthly output exceeds 600,000 pieces. As a leading supplier in North China, with complete production lines including texturing, knitting, sewing, packing, loading, we supply multiple customization services for microfiber towel fabrics, car washing towels, household and industry cleaning towels, bath and beauty towels, bathrobes, sports towels, beach towels, etc. Fabric structure involved regular warp and weft knitting, coral fleece, chenille, etc. The products are widely exported to the Europe, USA, Middle East, South Africa, etc. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. Our products have their own stable market competitiveness and enjoy great population in Europe, Australia, North America, Middle East and South Asia. Our team has many years working experience in trading and can provide professional suggestions for our customers so as to help you grasp business opportunity accurately and save cost. We are aiming to become the leading supplier and your reliable partner in the near future. If you are looking for a long-term business partner to grow together, please do not hesitate for a further communication.